How to complete daily missions in Solo Leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and head to the main lobby screen. Once you are there, look at the middle right of your screen where you will see the daily missions icon. You can also tap the mission icon in the top right corner with the checklist icon. Tap on it and this will take you to the mission menu where you will find different types of tasks including daily, weekly and Hunters Association missions. Next, select the Daily Missions tab. Here you will see a list of simple objectives you can complete every day such as clearing any gate 6 times, completing mining operations and more. Each mission gives you experience point, gold and other valuable rewards that help you progress faster. Go through the list and complete each task one by one. Most daily missions can be completed by playing normally like running dungeons, enhancing equipment or participating in event. Once you finish a task, tap the claim button next to it to collect your reward. When you complete all daily missions, you will often receive a bonus reward or additional materials, so make sure you finish them all before the reset time every day. Completing daily missions consistently is a great way to strengthen your characters and progress quickly in the game. Now you know how to complete daily missions in Solo Leveling Arise and claim your rewards efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.